你好，你是不是发现拼音很难？你是不是发现汉语很难？ As a Chinese teacher, I clearly know that Chinese is difficult for average learner. So, my goal is not just to help you learn Chinese, but also to help you use it easily and clearly. 我相信教育是用生命影响生命的终身事业。在我的课堂，鼓励和耐心是放在第一位的。In my class, I have two superpowers to help you learn Chinese easily and happily. First, for children, with 5 years of teaching children, I usually use games, stories, which match their learning psychology to help them explore Chinese learning. Second, for language enthusiasts, I'm a native Mandarin speaker, and I'm also a native Cantonese speaker. 如果你對粵語文化充滿好奇，我哋可以一齊探索呢個美麗嘅方言世界。Beyond my teaching experience of Cantonese and Chinese, I'm also a super lover of Chinese traditional culture. So, if you are ready to learn Chinese easily, happily, and deeply, just follow me. I'm here for you. Book your child lesson. Let's begin our fantastic Chinese learning journey. See ya!